Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix PSN login problems, connection and sign-in errors step by step clearly. First, restart your PS5 or PS4 completely. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. Check PlayStation Network status by visiting Status, PlayStation.com on your phone or PC. If PSN services are down, wait until Sony restores them and then try signing in again. Confirm your internet works by opening a website on your phone using the same Wi-Fi. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 60 seconds and plugging them back in. Move your console closer to the router or use a wired LAN cable for a more stable connection. On PS5, go to Settings, Network, Settings, Set up Internet Connection, and select your network again. On PS4, go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or LAN. Run the connection test from Network Settings and confirm you get an IP address and Internet access. If the test fails at Internet Connection, contact your ISP or try a different network like Mobile Hotspot. Set DNS manually to 8 and 8.4. Then save and test the connection again. If it still fails, try Cloudflare DNS by using 1 and 0. Make sure the date and time are correct because wrong time can block sign-in. On PS5, open Settings, System, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically. On PS4, open Settings, Date and Time Settings, and enable Automatic Settings. Sign out of PSN. Then sign in again carefully with the correct email and password. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Your Password option and reset it from your email. Check for a verification email or two-step verification code and enter it exactly as shown. If you cannot receive two SV codes, update your phone time, check spam, or use backup codes. Update your console system software from Settings, System Software Update. Update your game or app if the error happens only inside a specific title. Restore licenses to fix account access issues from Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, Restore licenses. Disable and re-enable console sharing and offline play on PS5 to refresh account activation. On PS4, activate your system as primary in Settings. Account Management. Activate as your primary PS4. Close all running apps. Then clear temporary glitches by fully powering off and turning on again. If you use a VPN or proxy on your network, disable it because PSN can block those connections. Check your router NAT type, and if it is Type 3, enable UPnP or open PlayStation ports to get Type 2. If nothing works, contact PlayStation support with your error code, your PSN ID, and your connection test results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.